AquaSPArkle Spa ScaleAway will help prevent scale deposits forming in your spa. This can build up rapidly on spa surfaces due to high calcium levels and high water temperatures. By applying AquaSPArkle Spa ScaleAway on a weekly basis, scale deposits within the heater, pipework and on the spa service will be minimised. Apply the product directly to the spa whilst the pump is turned on to help dispersion. Spas treated for heavy scale build-up may require cartridges to be cleaned after treatment. Remember, never to mix chemicals together. Always add chemicals to water, never the other way round. Check the way the wind is blowing when adding chemicals to an outdoor spa. Wear protective clothing as required. Store chemicals in a responsible manner in a cool, dry place.